Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Now today we're taking a look at a drink. This is VYBES. Now I've taken a look at the other ones before, but this is a new flavor, BlackBerry Hibiscus. This is Mind, Body, Function, and what this is a hemp drink, or you could call it a CBD drink. Now what a lot of people are doing across the country is sometimes you're allowed to write CBD, sometimes you have to write hemp. It just depends on what the local regulations and laws are. In New York City, I believe you do have to word drinks as hemp. That's why it has it as this. But if you just want to think about it in the same way, it is about in the same way as CBD is. So I've had these all in the past, but this is a new flavor, and I'm curious to see what exactly this is about. So if you didn't know, VYBES has 25 milligrams of CBD or hemp, and let's see if we can take a look at the information here. So just to start this off, this is one of their caffeine-free options. A few of their flavors, strawberry I believe, and one other one, blueberry, I believe they do have caffeine. This is one of the ones that does not have caffeine. Let's see, 25 calories per bottle. 15 milligrams of sodium, 12 grams of total carbohydrates, calcium is 34 milligrams, potassium is 160, iron is 10 protein, and sugar, 5 grams of sugar. Alright, so this is something in general that I do like. I do use CBD every once in a while. I think it works for me in a medium way. Sometimes I take like the little drops, sometimes I drink drinks. There's also little snacks and gummies that you can have, which I've tried in the past. It's something that's good for me. From when I'm at work, at least for me, in my experience, now this is only me, like at work, if I take it, it makes me a little bit more focused. If I'm already maybe in bed, it can help me relax. So let's give this a try. Now, I always forget, do you have to shake this one up? I don't believe so. Let's see. Oh, and by the way, always and forever vegan VYBES made with 100% real love. Well, it's just, takeaway from that is vegan, which is pretty good. All right, so it does not say shake, but in this case, you know, things may settle. As you can see here at the bottom, I'm gonna try and get out of the way. It does have some sediment. So maybe a little bit of shake will go a long way. Now this is not a sparkling drink or anything that would explode if you do shake this up. Unlike if you know the brand Recess, which is sparkling water, that could explode if you shake it too much. So we're gonna give this one a try. And this is basically a flavor test, and just consider this one as one without caffeine. Whoa, this is one of the thickest tasting ones that I've had in a long time. Now, if you want to just, let's go down memory lane. There's Burning Mandarin, which has a little bit of a spicy kick to it. There is a Honey Crisp Basil, or Apple Crisp, or something like that. Apple Crisp, Honey Basil. That one is very sweet. There is blueberry, which seems to be everybody's baseline. That's just a good amount of sweetness, not too much, not too little. Strawberry, which does have a lot of sweetness in it as well. And then the original one, at least for me, is, I think it's peach ginger, which at the beginning used to be the perfect amount of sweetness. Then they changed it a little bit to have a little bit more of a spice, but not like a kick of spice. Just like if you've had ginger, just think of it like that. But this one, it's the same consistency, but it tastes so much richer and thicker than the other ones that I've had in the past. That's pretty good. Now, without the carbonation or sparkliness, it's almost like a cider. This is something that I would probably have during the fall with maybe some sort of maybe Thanksgiving meal or something like that. Just think about that. I don't know, cranberry and the cranberry sauce and anything like that kind of hits my mind when I taste this. I do like this, but a thicker drink may mean it's not something that I would gravitate towards during the hotter months, maybe in spring and summer. So that means that maybe I would go for the blueberry more or the peach ginger because they're a little bit lighter. And then after that, maybe the Burning Mandarin with that spicy kick to it, just for summer and for that kind of environment and the vibe. This one, a great flavor, by the way. If you haven't had VYBES, I first found them because I thought, hey, these juices taste great. And I was like, then they have CBD on top of that. One of my most favorite choices that I've made, just because it's something that balances me, but the flavor has been great. So I would say this is a good choice. I'd say try these out for yourself. If you're into CBD, just remember that it does have that, or they would call it hemp, as you see here. But yeah, I'm going to finish this up right now. And I do remember, yep, it is 1 serving per container, and this is, wait, I feel like I'm missing this. Oh, 14 ounces in this bottle. All right, guys, we've taking a look at VYBES, the Blackberry Hibiscus, which has a nice thick flavor. It could be used as a mixer. Maybe that's why they made it so thick. And when I mean that, I mean mixing with alcohol. But give this a try, guys. All right, thank you very much. You can find me on Instagram at m8me9. You can email me at matt8me9@gmail.com. And then leave any questions about this in the comment section below. And, of course, like and subscribe. That helps out immensely. All right, guys, thanks again. I'll see you next time.